Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Toshiba TV black screen with sound when the picture is not showing and but audio working.
Fix 1. Power cycle your TV. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Press and hold the TV's power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Step 4. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Fix 2. Check the input source. Step 1. Press the input or source button on your remote. Step 2. Make sure the correct input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, etc., is selected. Step 3. Try switching between different inputs to see if the picture appears. Fix 3. Adjust backlight and picture settings. Step 1. Press the menu button, go to Picture, Backlight. Step 2. Increase the backlight and brightness settings. Step 3. Reset picture settings to default if necessary. Fix 4. Inspect HDMI and AV cables. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug all HDMI AV cables. Step 2. Inspect cables for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Reconnect the cables securely or try different cables. Step 4. Turn on the TV and check the screen.